Hey guys, it's Waylon here. I'm at a airport right now.
You're at Minneapolis Airport.
Yeah, I'm in Minneapolis Airport right now. Found that, and look at what's in the sky. One's coming in to land. Wow. That's an Airbus Beluga.
Where?
Right over there landing.
How do you know?
Because I saw its big forehead. So I know it's an Airbus Beluga because it has a big forehead.
There's a big one coming in over here.
Where?
Over there.
Oh, wow.
That's a big one.
Oh, one's taking off, guys.
That's him. That's the sound of him stopping.
Oh, it's him stopping?
Yeah, that's the one just landed.
That's a big one.
Landing. That one taking off. Delta's parking, I think.
Probably take off this way.
There's the air traffic control tower. What?
That's that one stopping. Yeah. Which way are they taking off then?
Oh, they're taking off over there. When I get home, can I start making an airport? Oh, and we need some clear white paper and...
Clear white paper?
Yeah, white paper. Pure white paper.
Some clear white paper.
Now get out.
No shoes on there.
Dang it. When is one getting to take off? I can take my shoes off and go up there?
No, because I was gonna say still somewhere to keep.
Yeah.
Put your feet on there.
Oh, is that one taking off or parking? I see a golden airplane.
I think this one is taking off.
Oh, that one's taking off,
I think
guys.
so, yeah. See? Here it comes. It's taking off. There it goes. There goes the news. United.
Bye, United. I wonder where they're going.
Alaska Air.
Alaska Air. Is that what makes it so windy? Oh, Mom, it's about to crash.
What?
That
look
look.
off this way. That one's going that way.
I know, but that one. Look at how it's leaned.
Oh, buddy, they lean bigger than that, deeper than that.
Here comes another one.
Here it comes in.
It's coming in. Oh, another one's landing.
Yeah, you see over there is Minneapolis.
Yeah, over
downtown.
there is Minneapolis,
That's
where
downtown.
Mall of America is.
No, Mall of America is actually right over there on it.
Oh.
I saw it when we came over here. There comes that one right.
Landing. It's an Airbus Beluga. I see its forehead.
Hope. I don't think so. I don't know. Where does the Airbus Beluga fly to? And from?
It flies to these countries. It flies from America, lands in America, and it also lands in Portugal. And what is that one country called? I forgot what it's called. Yes,
What are you recording?
a YouTube video.
There you go.
I can't.
Dude, you're
Yes. Oh, I see one coming in, Mom. You see it?
yeah.
Oh, Mom, look. Something's landing over there. Take it over there.
How come you can't zoom in?
A lot of them.
Oh, is one taking off or landing?
I was landing. Your video is like almost 5 minutes long, dude.
Okay, do the UPS.
I am.
That thing is giant up close. It's listening. Oh no, I can't go. Oh, one just took off right there. heading off southwest.
Isn't that southwest?
What? This thing won't catch up to it. It got blurry.